Hey Watchers, it's June 30th, 2022. This is today's Watch Me vlog. First thing I want to do is I want to say congratulations to the YouTube channel Chef Gabe's Culinary Arts Education for their 50th video uploaded. You guys don't know, Gabe is one of my young Padawans. I was his teacher when he was in high school. He graduated this year. And but just go check out his channel, give him a subscribe, just support what he's doing. He's really trying to put out videos, and he's trying to have a lot of fun with it, and he really works hard. So please give him some support, give him some love. Also, guys, today I filmed some headshots for a new video on sliders. I'm making my banh mi sliders for a video, and my foot's just really killing me. Some of you guys know in December I had foot surgery, and just being on my feet all the time, my foot is really getting swollen, and it's feel like it's taking forever to heal. And I've got it propped up right now. I iced it earlier this morning, and supposed to have physical therapy today, but my physical therapist canceled. But that's okay. It's okay. But one thing I want to mention is I was watching a video by Jay Shetty about giving yourself permission. And some of you guys know who Jay Shetty is. He's a great motivational speaker, wrote the book Think Like a Monk. It's about giving yourself permission, and that's something that I have never ever done for myself. So as of today, I'm giving myself permission. I'm giving myself permission to make mistakes. I'm giving myself permission to not be perfect on my videos, because my videos are far from perfect, but they're fun. Most importantly, I'm doing something that I have never ever done before. I'm giving myself permission to be an individual. And here's something that some of you guys don't know, is that when I went to buy my camera, I felt guilty. When I went to buy my camera, my tripod, when I went to buy my lights, I felt guilty, because I feel like, what if I'm not being the person that people want? But you know what? I don't have to be the person that other people want. I have to be the person that I was meant to be. You have to be the person that you were meant to be. I'm giving myself permission. So, Jay Shetty, thank you very much for your inspiring words. And give yourself permission to be you, guys. And again, congratulations to Chef Gabe's Culinary Arts Education for their awesome 50th upload. So, get out of here, guys. Go be awesome. It's going to be Taco Thursday tonight for dinner, and you guys all have a great day.